Mona, what are you drawing now?
I make sun.
Very good.
See.
Okay.
That is.
That is the one. Okay, done. Looking good.
See.
What about moon? Can you draw the moon? Draw it.
I do moon.
Moon, draw. Try to draw moon. Oh. Okay.
I do white color.
Okay, done. That's really a great job. Because it looks white in the sky, no? Very good.
White color name moon.
Okay, good. Got
Yellow
it.
color name yellow.
Sun yellow color. Very
Sun,
good.
yellow color.
Okay. Stars, what about stars?
Stars also yellow.
Stars also, I think, white in color.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What can you see in the sky? What can you see in the sky? Stars?
Upside down.
Stars and sun? Where can you see the sun?
That.
Okay. Moon?
That also.
Moon. Still, what can you see?
That is.
Clouds? Can you see the clouds in the sky? Birds? And what more? What can you see in the sky?
We make bird.
Balloons. Balloons and birds also will fly in the sky. Yes, I have seen. Yes.